Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe. First off, we're just gonna go over, I usually do an oracle card reading on Mondays, which I will continue to do, but not on this channel. I do have a second channel called Magical Mountain Witch. The link for it should be in my description down below. If not, it's on the page, or you click other links. I'm only going to do the oracle card readings on Mondays over there. This is a makeup channel, so I want to stick with makeup. So I've had this mask on already for about 10 minutes because I didn't want to bore you with putting it on. I'm using the last of the Sugar Skull facial mask, and this one is purifying bentonite clay and sugar. And then on the back it says, traditionally pink and white sugar skulls represent hope, purity, and celebration. I also have the One Spring eye patches on, and this is what they look like in the package. I got this on Amazon, and I don't remember the cost. If I remember to put it down below, I'll put it down below. But I got them on Amazon, and this is how they come. And there's 24 pairs. So you use them, you put the flat part with the narrow part towards your nose and out. That's what they look like. It says, it's the time to give your under eye a little TLC with our all-in-one nourishment mask infused with luxurious ingredients. Basically, just wash your face, put it on. It can be on from 15 to 20 minutes. It says remove the patches, massage under the eye area to absorb the excess serum. No need to rinse. Super Collagen Under Eye Patches by One Spring. It's an American brand, but made in China. I don't see dermatologically tested in the USA. And it does have an FDA mark on it. Alright, so it's aqua pearl extract, glycerin, potassium chloride, potassium citrate, camellia leaf. I can't say the word. Cuspidium root extract, chamomile flower extract, rosemary leaf extract. It does not say if it's cruelty free. I'm not seeing a rabbit on it. It does say FDA approved. So anyway, there's that. Okay, so what we're gonna do from now on is we're gonna do skincare afterwards and talk about some stuff that I ordered, makeup related. So one of my empties is the Garnier, my cellular water, cleansing water, and I did reorder. I really like that for removing makeup. For me, it's very gentle to the skin. I don't have any problems with it. There again, another thing that I reordered were the organic cotton rounds. I can list them down below. I'll try to remember to put all of them in. So, I'm almost ready to take this off. Always rub the excess. Okay, let's... rub it on my hands. Your hands can, especially in the wintertime, huh? Can always use... Alright, and these come right off. They're very soothing. Alright. So when I started out, what I always do, this is my face wash that I use at CeraVe. Hydrating facial cleanser for normal to dry skin. Cleanses, hydrates, and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So that's what I get. And I get the value size, and I get this on Amazon. I'll list that down below. Another product that I just ordered, and it finally came, were new face masks for the winter. And these are by Spa Life, I believe. Yes, because I love Spa Life. So the first one is peppermint infused. I'll leave the link listed below. I don't have an Amazon store or anything like that, and if I do get one, I'll let you know. The second one is shea butter infused facial mask. Looks like that. I got the variety pack. And this one's the collagen infused. And I got 3 of them. It's 12 masks, I believe. And this one is replenishing milk infused. I don't know if they're going to have those, any kind of decoration on them. So there's 3, 6, 9, and 12. And I will, I'll link these down below. So that will be our winter face mask. Alright, so as for skincare, this is what I've been doing as of late. So I love the Ordinary, and this is almost empty, and I'm waiting for the new one to come. It's the caffeine solution. Let me put my glasses on. EGCG reduces the appearance of eye contour pigmentation and puffiness. It's almost empty. And then I also use the Ordinary Buffet. And it says multi-technology peptide serum buffet. Applied to the entire face, AM and PM after cleaning. I love the Ordinary. Number 1, very cost effective. Number 2, it works. So what I do is, there's the dropper. The caffeine, I go under the eye. On the 11s. And a little bit on my upper lip. The only reason I'm changing the Oracle card reading over to the other channel is it's really hard to do 2 Oracle card readings at, back to back when I'm filming. And it just seems like I just feel like if you just do it once, it's a better message. All right, and this is the buffet. I do about that much. It's hard to see. I rub that all in. And then during the day, and I'll only be using this till it's gone. Not for any reason. This is Flex Beauty Anti-Aging Day Cream. And it's made in Canada. You would have to go on her site. She's a small company. I really like the formula. I don't know if I'll be repurchasing it. Well, I might. I'm enjoying the formula. It's very moisturizing. And it's a little expensive. And I've been trying to watch my costs. You know, with remodeling and everything, we're still paying off the walk-in tub and enclosure for my daughter that she needed after her back surgery. Which I will say, that walk-in tub, what a godsend. And I am so happy that with between money saved and being able to put it on a card and pay it off, same as cash, for 2 years we have to pay it off. That has really helped out. So this Flex Beauty, the anti-aging day cream, I love it. I mean, I really do. It's a little expensive, but it really seems to be helping with locking in the moisture for the day, and it has a little bit of a glowiness to it, which, me being older, I appreciate. It wears nice. It doesn't, when you first put it on, it feels slightly greasy. But once it absorbs, um, after about 5 to 10 minutes and it's all absorbed in, it feels really nice. So, now, if you want to see a nighttime routine, it's probably basically, I don't use the mask, of course, or sometimes I do face masks at night, but it'll be the same caffeine, ordinary, and then I go to Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Moisturizer. I'll leave all that listed below. And to end, this is new to me. It's Jeffree Star's Wyoming Lip Oil. If my hands are all greasy. Really enjoying this product. I got it in my mystery box. When he came out with his skincare, financially I was unable to afford it. I'm glad he put that in the mystery box because I'm enjoying that a lot. I love a good lip oil, and I went on his site and it has some pretty good ingredients in it. Very simple and natural, which I like. And it feels nice, and it does have a little bit of a gloss to it. But it absorbs in and it wears nice, and it just feels really nice on the lips. So that's why I use that. So that is my video for today. I hope you're not too disappointed without the oracle card reading, but you can go over to my other channel and get the oracle card reading for the week. And so happy Mask Monday. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.